Hi, our topic is types of relations, and the question is given a set A with numbers from 1 to 9 and R be a relation in A by A defined by A comma B related to C comma D if A plus D is equal to B plus C for A comma B, C comma D in A by A. We need to prove that R is an equivalence relation. We need to also obtain the equivalence class for 2, 5. Now we know that any relation is an equivalence relation when the relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So to prove that A comma B related to C comma D is an equivalence relation, we will first prove that the relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, and then we will move ahead to find the value of equivalence class of 2, 5. So let's take a look at the solution. Now first we'll find whether the relation is reflexive. Now A comma B related to C comma D. So over here we are given as the relation is given as A plus D is equal to B plus C. Now for any relation to be reflexive, A comma B should be related to A comma B. So if you substitute the value of D and C as A and B, you get A plus B is equal to B plus A. So this is an equality, hence the relation is reflexive. Now second we have to prove that the relation is symmetric. So we'll write what we are given, that is the relation is given as A plus D is equal to B plus C. Now if I write this as C plus B equal to A plus D, this is similar to what we are given. So there is no difference between these two terms. Therefore, this can be written as C comma D is related to A comma B. Therefore, the relation is also symmetric. And lastly, now we are supposed to prove that the relation is transitive. Now suppose we have A comma B related to C comma D and C comma D is related to E comma F. So this will be written as what we are given, that is A plus D is equal to B plus C, and similarly this can be written as C plus F is equal to D plus E. Let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. Now if I subtract 2 from 1, what I get is A minus E is equal to B minus F. Okay, we are subtracting 2 from 1. Taking F on this side, on the left hand side, and E on the right hand side, we get A plus F is equal to B plus E. So this gives us A comma B is related to E comma F. And what the transitive property says that if A comma B is related to C comma D and C comma D is related to E comma F, then A comma B should be related to E comma F, and that is what we have proved. Hence the relation is also transitive. Therefore the relation is an equivalence relation. Okay, so we have proved that. Now we are given that the set A consists of numbers from 1 to 9 and we have to find the equivalence class of 2, 5. So first we'll write what is A, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on till 9. And we have to find the equivalence class of 2, 5. So we consider these values to be C and D in the given equivalence relation, that is A comma B related to C comma D is equal to A plus D equal to C plus B. So we get 5 plus A is equal to 2 plus B. Therefore, B is equal to A plus 3. Now over here, if we substitute various values of A and B from the given set, we get the equivalence class. So first can be, if I substitute the value of A as 1, I get the value of B as 4. So the equivalence class of 2, 5 will be 1, 4. Now if I substitute the value of A as 2, we get B as 5. So the second becomes 2, 5. Similarly, substituting the value of A as 3, we get B as 6. So it becomes 3, 6. And going on till A equal to 9, we get or B reaching 9. So if we substitute the value of A as 6, we get B as 9. So the limit for A is 6. A can move only till 6. So we get 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8 and 6, 9. So this is the equivalence class under relation R.